right, welcome to Mixin' with Robin. Hey, today is March 1st. I cannot believe it. The months just keep rolling. So what happens in March? This year we're gonna have Easter. I believe it's the very last weekend, but before that we're gonna have St. Patrick's Day. That's a big deal in our house. We love St. Patrick's Day. I have 4 boys and I used to do all kinds of fun stuff for St. Patrick's. I would dye the water in the toilet green and put footprints to it and little green footprints and dye the milk green and make green muffins for breakfast. So anyway, I hope you guys have fun with St. Patrick's Day, but one of our favorite meals on St. Patrick's Day is corned beef. And this is what they call a flat cut of corned beef brisket, okay? So this is what it looks like. It's kind of this really weird deep red color. Some of them have a little packet, so make sure when you open it that this little packet doesn't get lost inside your crock pot because it's in plastic, and that needs to be opened and sprinkled over the top of your corned beef when you put it on. And it's super simple. We're gonna do the first step right now. We're gonna get it going in here. This is just under 4 pounds, so this should take about 4 to 5 hours for this brisket to cook. When it's done, we will come back and I will show you what we're gonna do with it. And it's gonna make the best Reuben sandwiches you've ever had. So anyway, when this is all cooked, we'll be back. All right, we are getting ready to make some Reuben sandwiches. So welcome today with Mixin' with Robin. This is one of my husband's ultimate favorite sandwiches. He requests this every year for his birthday in January. And I thought we would share it with all of you for St. Patrick's Day coming up. I know a lot of people like to have corned beef and cabbage and potatoes. And I have never been a corned beef fan until I had these sandwiches. And my mom made these when I was growing up and just continued on. And like I said, it became a favorite in our house. So I'm gonna start with showing you the meat. I cooked a corned beef for about 5 hours on this one. And I have another one sitting over here to the right in the crock pot that was a little bit bigger. So I am gonna slice it just so I can show you how this is going to look. You want it pretty thin, but not like paper thin so it falls apart. Sometimes it does fall apart when you get toward the end, but it's okay, it still tastes super yummy. So I'm gonna slice this real quick. Okay, so this is about the amount that you're gonna get on a sandwich, between 2 and 3 slices on your sandwich.